Hi, I'm Albion, one of the Britlish AI presenters.
And I'm Britlicious, another of the AI presenters created by Britlish.
We're here to bring you today's phrase of the day. Tell us what it is, Britlicious.
Don't try to impose your will on me, Albion.
I wouldn't dream of imposing my will on you, Britlicious, trust me.
It's okay, Albion. To impose one's will on someone is today's phrase of the day.
I know, Britlicious. To impose your will on someone means to try to force other people to do what you want them to do.
It's like telling people that they have to pay a set amount to access the Britlish library.
We don't impose our will on students at Britlish, we allow them to decide how much they want to pay to access the Britlish library.
Pay what you want is a new way of doing business where the business does not impose its will on the customer.
It also means that more people than ever can benefit from the Britlish library.
Yes, visit Britlish and decide how much you want to pay for a Britlish library monthly pass, or even for a monthly, biannual, or annual membership subscription.
We won't impose our will on you, we promise.
If you want more phrases of the day, click the like button and leave a comment.
And cut. That's a wrap.